Hello everyone, and welcome to another in the Blender project series of videos. This time we're working on the little connector part between the rounded portion of the gatehouse and the flat portion where the actual gate is located. And with that, let's go ahead and switch over. So what we've got so far is the edge here, and we're going to be looking to get this section done. So what we need to do is copy this and rotate it around. Something like that. Get it to kind of match up here. So it'll be something like that, and we'll fix the window-like portion. But we need to make sure everything is lining up properly. So what we're going to do is take a little time and get things in line with each other. And just duplicate everything and rotate on the Z-axis from the top. So we can be sure everything is lining up properly. We will just get the top section rotated around to where it lines up like we're wanting over here. So something like this. There we go. Now, for those observant of you, we need to correct this little angle here. And get it straightened out, which is not going to be that hard of a thing to do. Just get all the, we'll get the bricks moved out of the way first, so we're not having to worry with that. Just select them all and pull them over. And now we grab these and rotate them to where they're flat, like so. Now pull them over. where they are straight on the vertical parts as well. And we can see we still have to do some more work there. It's not a problem. We just select more of the bricks. And get rid of anything that we don't need selected. And now we can pull these bricks out as well. Oh, missed this one somehow. There we go. Pull those out on the R-axis. And now we can finish straightening this bit out. And so the way we're going to do that is to grab everything and rotate it like so, and then pull it over. Rotate it a little bit more, slide it over, and let's take a look at it. Bit of an issue here, but if we left these out, I do believe it wouldn't be a problem. So let's see how that looks. Yeah, that looks okay. So that's more or less straightened out for those pieces. Now it's just up here with okay, that was my fault in not grabbing everything. Missed this bit up here. So this time we're going to make sure we've got everything. And now rotate. And pull it over. Deselect. 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 Deselect this as well. Get these straight and slide them over. And now we just move these bricks back in, and we've got a straight end piece there. So let's get these bricks put back. Just rotate them flat as well, like so. And go into our viewport. Slide them on back in. And they're going to have to come in on the Y a little bit, so we will scale them in on the Y-axis just a touch. Probably just a touch more. There we go. Move those back in. And we've got to take it to the halfway point and give it a little tilt over on this way so it'll line up right. And just back it in like so. And now rotate and move this bit where it needs to go. like before, it'll need to be shortened on the Y. And then moved into place. So there we have the first portion of that straight bit, of that corner bit, I should say. Now to get the other side, what we're going to do is a little bit different, but we're going to use the same basic building block. Let's see, let's grab one from over here, just so I don't have to go through all the working with the bricks again. So we need to make it the first part of this over here, which is going to be the easiest bit. Just get this straightened out. And flatten these on the X. We'll pull these down just a touch. And now, there. So that's the first. There we go. That's the first bit. And now for the rest of it, which we're just going to rotate each section and turn. Until they are as level, or I guess it really can't be level here, but straight as possible. So there we go. And once we get them rotated, we're going to move them into alignment. Just like that. Now this one is the different one. So what we're going to do here is get it rotated straight at the start. And let's go ahead and flatten all of them out vertically. So there, 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 and we'll go ahead and do this one as well on the X. And these on the Y. And we are going to have to resize these joining cubes a little bit because we're adjusting the sizes here, but it won't be terribly much. And get the last few done here. Now we need to put in a loop cut here so that we can then drag this out, and we're going to rotate it like so, but we need another edge loop in here to keep the walls from messing up the connector cube. So flatten it out as well. And now we can rotate. And we want this to go completely 90 degrees. And we have this one to rotate and help give a bit of a break here, keeping it from looking too horrible. But we need one more right in here. It is going to come in level like so. Now we grab all of this, slide it down. There we go. So far, so good. Let's take our joining cube and bring it in. And now this piece, and slide it over. And just nudge this down, over and down a little bit. Okay, let's see how that looks connected. Not too bad. Let's see, does it need to come down? Yes, it does. This way just a little bit. Like so. And that's going to be the first of our connector pieces between the round tower-like portion of the gatehouse and the actual part with the gate. So we will leave it there for now. That's all for this session of Polygonal Art with JoRaSe. If you enjoyed what you saw, how about giving this video a thumbs up? And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on future videos from me. In the video description below, you'll find my Patreon link. Feel free to check it out. Now, on to the credits.